So I'm gonna using this needle. I'm not squeezing anything out yet. So this is purpose of this will help to seal all the gap in the edges that might still leak up during the time you are placing your crystal placement. So then therefore the clients will not having any worry, any problems with, you know, wearing the beautiful crystal placement every day, and they won't have to worry about or anything is coming up until next time they come back and see you. So I am gonna do a little exam first. Like I'm gonna check around all the edges and the gap. If it feels scratchy, I'm gonna squeeze this a little bit in. Each time I want to squeeze just that much. You do not need a lot. Little go a long way. And seal.
So for the sub box, it's $29.99 a month, and you get over $120 worth of product in there.
No, so sub box is $80 of the products. The subscription box, you mean?
Yes.
The treasure box is over 120. The sub box you get over $80 of with the products.
There you go, Nancy, know best.
You might get messed up with the treasure box, but the sub box is so beautiful. You want to see the sneak peek of sub box? I get the videos of unboxing the sub box, but your sub box might be slightly different. All the contents, I mean the theme is in there, but then it's really cool that because Glitz have a large variety of a lot of collection, so you get so many different like of ideas. So then when you created some set and then a lot of nails you have similar but it's not identical, which is awesome because all of us are unique. So Glitz really want to unleash your potential and to share with you that yes, you can do it.
Yes, love that. So for international, for Canada, I do believe it's flat rate at $39.99. So if you want to do sub box, make sure you check the cost before you do that.
International, we do have a lot of
yes,
Canadians buying
a lot
sub box.
of Canadian customer do sub box.
So I'm gonna stick it right here, and now you can feel it's really like scratchy here. I'm going to seal it in. And you can definitely go back and do it again if you feel it's still scratchy and you still need to fill in, and just keep for 10 seconds first, and then you go back and apply it again. And here is the last nails. I do like this one. It's kind of blending in. So I am going to seal this right on the top of the frame and the beads. You want to protect that so then it's prevent from tarnish getting really rusty or tarnished because of a lot of hand sanitizers, and we're washing our hands constantly. So then this way it's going to keep it stay nice until next time the clients come and see us, or until next time you change the set of nails. Yes, so make sure don't lose this red cap because it will protect your precision glues last so long, and it prevent from getting clogs on that needles, and also that it will keep it nice and not spillings or leaking. It's never happened, but just to be safe. So make sure you pinch your brush, remove all of your excess condensed glue gels, and you put a cap on. You can see that my caps after like 3 years is really nice and clean though, because I pinch it off so before I put it on. If you forget, then what happened that you keep touching on the right here on the necks of the cap, then it's catching a lot of condensed glue gels here, and it's gonna build up really hard, and it's gonna start destroy your bristle when you place it in. So I always pinch that, clean that first before I put that on the top. Back cap back on. So here is the final look. They're so beautiful though. I hope you're really enjoying it because I am so excited. Because look at this, boy, it's so happy. I could wear this on whole set, you know. Here you go.